In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an auto reply on Facebook Marketplace for 2025. This is a great way to ensure that you never miss a potential sale, even when you're not actively checking your messages. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Facebook website by typing in facebook.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your login details to access your account. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see an expanding menu. Look for an option labeled See More and give it a click. This will reveal additional options that might not have been immediately visible. Now, scroll through these options until you find Marketplace. Click on Marketplace to enter the dedicated section for buying and selling on Facebook. Once you're in the marketplace, you'll want to head over to the settings. To do this, locate the settings icon. It usually resembles a small gear symbol and can often be found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Click on this icon to access your marketplace settings. In the settings menu, look for an option that says Set a Custom Buyer Message. This is the place where you can create a standardized message that will automatically be sent to anyone who contacts you through Marketplace. Click on this option to open the text editing box. Here, you have the opportunity to tailor the message to fit your needs. Think about the kind of information you'd want a potential buyer to know right away. You might include a thank you message for their interest, key details about your item that could answer frequently asked questions, or your usual response time. Remember, a clear and informative message can make a great first impression. Once you're satisfied with your customized message, you'll need to save your changes. To do this, simply click on the Save button, which should be accessible via the same settings page. This ensures that your auto reply is active and ready to assist your buyers. And with that, you're all set. Your custom auto reply will now be sent to anyone who contacts you on Facebook Marketplace, allowing you to maintain communication even when you're busy. Setting up this automatic messaging feature can really streamline your experience on Facebook Marketplace, making it simple to manage inquiries and keeping prospective buyers informed. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most out of your marketplace interactions. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Take care and happy selling.